Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Sherita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sherita. Today's video will focus on transforming our guest bedroom for early spring. The first change we're making is swapping out the existing curtains with new black, energy efficient blackout curtains. Since this room receives a lot of sunlight throughout the day, it's important to maintain a comfortable temperature by keeping the sun's heat out. The pole top curtains purchased from HomeGoods not only serve a practical purpose, but also add a stylish touch to the room, enhancing its overall appeal. These curtains will help in blocking out excess sunlight, keeping the room cool and comfortable, and reducing the need for excessive air conditioning. The decision to opt for energy efficient curtains aligns with my goal of creating a cozy, comfortable space for my guests to enjoy. With this simple yet effective change, the guest bedroom is sure to have the perfect atmosphere for the spring season. I'm also going to be adding a pop of color and some simple animal print patterns to this bedroom to create a fun and stylish atmosphere. Of course, I'm always going to include a little bit of gold, maybe even silver every now and then. I love metals. This mirror used to be silver, and y'all know I love some gold spray paint. So back last summer, I spray painted it gold, and I feel like it will be perfect right above this bed. Creating a full and fluffy bed can be achieved by using a simple yet effective trick: folding a duvet insert in half under the comforter. This method adds extra volume and plushness to your bed, giving it a luxurious and inviting appearance. This technique not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your bed, but also provides extra warmth and comfort during those early spring cold nights. So the next time someone compliments your bed for looking so full and fluffy, you can share this clever trick with them. Since I'm adding animal print and a pop of color, I had to decide what primary colors I'm going to use in the space. And keep in mind, animal prints often feature neutral colors like beige, brown, and black. So consider incorporating these shades into your color palette. I chose beige and black as my primary color and shades of blue as my accent color, plus leopard print for my added visual interest. I'm using the leopard print very subtle, making sure I avoid overwhelming the space. And if you're going to use any type of animal print, also consider incorporating it with accent pieces such as throw blankets, rugs, or decorative pillows. I'm just going to be using a leopard print in today's video because I don't want it to be too overpowering, since I'll be using animal print throughout my home. Now here are a couple of pictures I had to choose from. This one is pretty, but I don't think at this angle it's giving me the look that I want. And this one, it has a little bit of that black, gold, and some more of those bronzy colors in it. It doesn't have the baby blue, but that turquoise looks really good with the blue. So I think this is going to be the picture that I'm going to use on this wall. And I'll use that huge picture on the opposite wall just so it'll have a nice piece of art on the way out of the space. Let's hang this piece of art using my famous tape method. So I'm going to hang this art I already had. I pulled it from the hallway going into my bedroom, and we're going to use it in this bedroom. So this is the second only place I've ever put this piece of art, and it looks gorgeous in the space. Real easy to hang, lightweight piece of art, but I'm going to use just some hanging hooks or picture hanging hooks to hang it real easy. Right, just looking at the space, you can tell that we need to add some more items. And I started by shopping my home, and I'm going for a maximalist home decor look. It's a bold and vibrant style that allows you to express your personality and create a visually rich space. When it comes to incorporating maximalist decor in your bedroom, there are a few key elements to keep in mind. Start by mixing patterns, textures, and colors to create a dynamic, eclectic look. Consider layering different fabrics such as velvet, silk, and faux fur to add depth and visual interest to your space. Incorporate statement pieces like bold pattern rugs or ornate headboards. This can help anchor the space and serve as a focal point. Don't be afraid to mix and match furniture styles and eras to create a unique and eclectic look. Adding decorative elements like oversized mirrors, gallery walls, and statement lighting fixtures can further enhance the maximalist vibe of your bedroom. These lamps are absolutely gorgeous. I've used them in here in my bedroom and also in our living room. And they were pretty pricey, but they are well worth it. So I'm just going to continue decorating the nightstands. Of course, we're going to have a lamp on each one, a couple of coffee table books, of course, a vase with that beautiful blue in it as well. And of course, it is Black History Month, so I did pull out a couple of my Black History books, and this one was turquoise, so it still fits the color that's going on in this space. And remember, we're going for that maximalist eclectic look, but still luxurious. All right, so let's hang this piece of art on the wall. I already measured everything and I got it just where I want it. Now, I do like my art at eye level. Sometimes I'm off a little bit, but I like it exactly where it is, especially with it being right beside the bed. This piece of art I purchased from Home Goods. It was $100 plus taxes, of course. I mentioned it in my home decor haul. It comes in another color, but I had to have this one. It is so nice, you guys, and I can't wait to get it on this wall. If you're like me, you will hunt something down if you really like it. And this particular art is from the Park Lane Gallery and it's called Dark Beauty. It fits this space perfectly. So here is the finished look of the space. And for some of us, we have friends that come over and say, oh my gosh, you have a lot of stuff. And do. But remember, maximalist decor is all about embracing excess and creating a space that feels rich, luxurious, and full of personality. We don't do clutter. We do furniture placement, home decor placement in such a way that makes our home look lived in and luxurious at the same time. And as most of you know, this bedroom connects to a guest bath, so the colors are similar. And we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. I did a lot of talking in this video, so I hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. It really does help.